Welcome friends to my channel Neeraj Kapse. Today I will show you unboxing of Apple AirPods 2. So I am holding Apple AirPods 2 in my hand. So this is the box of Apple AirPod 2. So here it is mentioned that compatible with iOS device, Apple Watch and Mac device with the latest software. Okay, and there is a model number is given, that is A2032 and A2031, A1602. It is AirPods with charging case. So in the box we'll get AirPod and the charging case. So serial number is that of the AirPods. So on the back side we have the figure of AirPod. The charging case is there, two earbuds are there, one charging cable is there, and here it is written AirPods with charging case. Okay, so on this side the AirPod is written. Okay, and nice Apple logo is present on this particular side. Okay, I will take it out. So this AirPod come up with this particular manual. So in this internal there is manual. This is AirPod manual. So you'll get setting, how you can configure this AirPod and how you can plug in this AirPod with this phone. You can plug in AirPod with Mac OS, laptop, iOS, Watch OS and the cloud as well. Okay, so here's the instruction guide and a manual. So I'll keep inside this. So in this box there is a AirPod. So I will tell you the features of this first. So it supports Siri. So you can directly call Hey Siri, then you can talk like this: Hey Siri, call my dad, or Hey Siri, play any music, Hey Siri, volume up and all. So those kind of features you can talk with this. Also it contains Apple H1 headphone chip with AirPod to deliver faster connection. So within 5 to 6 seconds it's going to connect with your phone. Then also it contains a wireless charging case, and it supports up to 24 hours of a battery life. So 5 hours of listening time with one charge, and the charging time for this particular case is just a 15 minute. So within a 15 minute we can get it charged. It's an easy setup. It contains Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, and just we need to plug in with Bluetooth, and you can plug in with multiple devices as well. So it will automatically switch with multiple devices. Which device is very near to it, it will directly connect to that particular device. Okay, so I will tell you the technical specification of this. So once I open this box, so there are two earbuds. So it contains actually a dual beam forming microphone inside it. So I will take it out. So there is a light. This light will glow, and this is a charging case light, and two earbuds are there. Right and left is written on this. So here it is, a R is written. Okay, so this is having a dual beam forming microphones, dual optical sensors. So here it is optical sensor available on the top. Okay, and here it is optical sensor. So based on that optical sensor, it's going to detect. It's having motion sensor inside it, and also it's having speech detecting accelerometer. So everything is bundled in this particular small earbud. So operating chip is, it contains H1 headphone chip. So the chip is inside and the battery is here. Okay, and you can have multiple controls over it. So once you double tap, so to play, to skip and forward like this, and you can speak Hey Siri, and you can talk with it or give some instructions for it. So it is having very good length. So length is about 40.5 millimeter, and the width, full width is about 16.5 millimeter. The weight is about 4 grams. Okay, so just 4 grams weight, so very lightweight. And if you look at the charging case, so charging case is very tidy. So it's just 44.3 millimeter in a width, and as far as the height is concerned, it is 53.5 millimeter, and the width of this particular thing is 21.3. so the charging case weight is just 40 grams. Also it is a QI certified lightning fast charger. So once you take out this and once you pair with this particular AirPod with any of the iPhone or any of the Mac OS or iPad, so once you put this inside this, so it automatically disconnect or it's pause the song. Once you take out, it will automatically play the song. Okay, so battery life is good. So battery life, theoretically they says it's 24 hours battery life and 18 hours of talk time with the charging case, and this charging case will require just 15 minutes to charge full. So it's having a battery. So inside this there is a lightning connector to charge this particular charging slot. In the box you will get, so I will take it out this thing. So I'll take it out this thing. So you'll get lightning charging cable. Okay, so this is very nice cable we'll have. Okay, so you can charge it. The adapter is not provided, so you need to use our regular adapter of phone to charge this, and there are two buds available. You can use these buds. You can pair it with Apple Watch, or we can pair it with Apple phone. So once you pair, about the connectivity, it's a Bluetooth 5.0 it uses. Then in the box you will get two AirPods, one charging case, a lightning USB cable, and a documentation guide. Okay, so accessibility, you can listen a song and you can just accept the calls and all, and you can you can give some instructions for iPhone, this kind of thing. You can use it. So it supports iOS, it supports PadOS and WatchOS. Also it supports Apple TV as well. So compatibility, if you look at the compatibility, so iPhone provides the compatibility from iPhone 5s till iPhone 12 models. Also iPad 6th and 7th generation it supports, and the MacBook from series 2010 onwards, all the MacBook it supports. iPad modules, if you look at iPad mini 2 till the latest iPad module, that is iPad Pro 3rd generation module. Then if you look at the watch series, all the watch series it supports, like Apple Watch 1 to Apple Watch 5, and both the Android TV, both the Apple TV, that is Apple TV HD and Apple TV 4K it supports. Okay, so it's very nice in a look. Okay, you can buy it from Amazon. You will get it at just 9,999, that is 10,000 rupees. Alright, so this is about Apple AirPods. So if you like this particular review, please press the like button. Also, if you're not subscribed my channel yet, please press subscribe button. Also press notification bell icon for next upcoming updates. Thank you for listening. Thank you.